Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have an unboxing for you all, and I have to say I am incredibly excited about this one. Yes, it is Off to the Ball. This massive beauty is by Hannah Lynn. It is 70 by 88 centimeters square drill. And here is the Diamond Art Club box. Pristine and beautiful as always. So real quick, this is gonna be my very first Hannah Lynn that I've ever bought or done, you know. And the only reason that is because I either don't have the money at the time they release one, or I don't know, the image just doesn't like call to me, if you will. But this one, I was just taken back when I saw it. It's absolutely stunning. You know that feeling that you get when you see one of these, you know, new releases, that it just kind of takes your breath away and you just gotta have it. That's what this one did to me. Oh, and so since I was so taken back by it, I was so nervous because I'm not a Diamond member of Diamond Art Club, so I don't get the early access. But I found out that if you become a Hannah Lynn patron, that she gives you early access to her paintings released from Diamond Art Club. And I'm in the tier, or you have to get the $2 tier, but that's it, $2 every month. And then these usually release on Saturdays. I was able to purchase this that Friday, the whole day before. So in my opinion, definitely worth the investment of becoming one of her patrons. So I will also tell you, this little area of my desk isn't that large, and this painting is absolutely humongous. So I'm going to do what I can here on my desk, and towards the end of the video, I'm going to give you all a close-up of the whole thing laid out. So I'm just scooping everything out in here. Here's the stickers and everything. Okay, that's everything in the box here. Let me just set that over there. So of course we have the regular toolkit. You got the blue pen, the tweezers, squishy, and the boat. So here is the big sticker. Look at her. Oh my gosh, I just love her. So there's 55 colors. Holy moly. It looks like there's probably 3 ABs. Oh my gosh. Now I did an unboxing for Diamond Art Club, and they did send, in that one, I unboxed the Alice kit. That video is coming soon. And they did give you a smaller sticker, but I guess maybe they stopped doing that. But that's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out here. And Diamond Painting Camper told me to get my inhaler ready. So I'm so freaking stoked right now. We're just gonna have to work with the area that we have. Holy moly, like look how huge this is. It's just, that's crazy. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. I'm trying to make it go on my desk all wide and stuff. Here, let's try to do it this way. Whoa. We're not gonna be able to have this laid out, I'm telling you. Okay, let's try to just get the drills out of here. Holy guacamole. Hold on. We're not gonna look yet. Here's the drills. Got 2 big old bags of them. Then you got your step-by-step instructions. Now I'm just gonna roll this reverse real quick so we can kind of see it. Holy sweet baby chicken. This thing is absolutely massive. Wow, this is just, oh my god. This is absolutely breathtaking. I don't even have words. Whew. Like, what I mean by it takes me back is like, I'm almost getting like teary-eyed because of this. Like, her face, like just look at the face alone. It's just, she's absolutely beautiful. I don't know why her hands are so tiny, but look at the butterflies. See, like, this is on my lap right now. Oh my gosh. It's just, this is something else, y'all. This is just, look at the ground that she's on. Like, look at all those colors. This is just, oh my God. I have to say, I am very glad that this is my first Hannah Lynn, because this is just, this is stunning. I cannot wait to work on this. Like, I don't care what I had coming up next. This will be, has to be my next painting that I work on. Like, it has to be. This is just, oh my God. I just can't stop staring at it. So I'm gonna roll this up here again real quick. And then we're going to kind of take a look at the drills. Whew. Yeah, I can't stop staring at her. So it did look like this has 3 AB drills. So I'm just gonna open these real quick. Sorry if this is loud. I'm not gonna open them all. But look at all these colors. So are there any ABs in this one? Nope, I'm gonna look at this one here. Oh gosh, that's beautiful. So there's the dark blue ABs here. And I think there were yellow ones. Here's the pink ones. These drills are just so dang hard to put back. Okay, so I'm not gonna get them all out individually, but make sure you watch until the end of this video. And then, like I said, I'll have her laid out and then zoom in on the canvas throughout. And if you really want to see the individual bags of drills, I can totally do like a Facebook post on Creative Craft Addictions of me opening the drills. But I'm not sure if that's anything that you guys would really care to see or not. I just cannot believe how huge this is. And this, oh, look at all those colors. You know, I have not used sparklers yet, but is this painting like not the most sparklers worthy? Oh my gosh. I'm usually like never at a loss for words, and I really am. This is just unbelievably stunning. You even got this little castle back there. Look at that. And a little trail. Wow. The details are just epic. I'm blown away. Diamond Art Club did this painting justice, I have to say. That's crazy. All right, so real quick, if you're brand new and this is the first video of mine that you're seeing, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss anything. And again, let me know if you want to see the drills individually. And again, I will make sure I post a video on Creative Craft Addictions Facebook group. And yeah, hit the like button on your way out. And now I'm going to take it over to the close-up of this painting so you can see up close each individual aspect of it, because you're right, Diamond Painting Camper, like this did take me back, and I'm gonna have to go find some albuterol or something to open me up, because oh my gosh, I just can't even with it right now. All right, everyone, until next time, bye.